Welcome everybody to the Getting Started tutorial with ZAAK, the place where you can build, share and even remix virtual reality applications within minutes and with no coding skills needed. Let me start with a short overview. ZAAK.io is a social virtual reality network with tools running in your web browser. So all you have to do is type in ZAAK.io and you're good to go. So let me give you a short overview. Here's the platform. We have featured works. We have 3 projects here now from which you can learn a lot by remix them. I will explain it later. You have latest entries, you have how-to, you can explore. Like here's a nice project. Coming to tools, this is the viewer. The viewer is a responsive viewer. It works with your desktop computer without any head-mounted display, or it works on your smartphone with the use of Google Cardboard, for example, or you can also use it with desktop computer and the Oculus Rift and stuff like that. So this is the viewer, this is your project, and now I'm not signed in. So you see here is a remix button. If I would click on this, the editor would open with this project. So I can start remixing stuff. But let me sign in first. You can sign in with Google. We will add more social networks or social logins later. And you can of course register with an email. And voila, we're logged in. So now this button has changed in Open in Editor because this is my project. Here's your project page. You have an image, some text about you, projects you did, projects from user that I'm following. So you can like projects, dislike projects and stuff like that. Okay. Build our first virtual reality application together. You can click on Editor, can click File New, because there was no project in here. So the editor starts with a grid and a dummy. It's a 3D scene, you can navigate around, and the dummy will help you to get a feeling for size and direction. So if we want to, for example, with your Android smartphone, you can do panoramic images like this one. It's a standard feature in every Android phone. So let's build a VR app with this photo. To do this, you have to add a metasphere. If you double click at the icon, it will auto center to the scene. You have shortcuts for the camera. So this metasphere is initiated with a standard map texture that is applied to this sphere. If you want to change this or replace it with the image you did yourself, you can click in this field to open it up, or you can drag and drop your image directly into it. Voila! Here we go. You see the dummy, this is actually you viewing the scene. So we are already finished, we can click save. One thing to save with this click save button. Everything you create here in the editor will first be stored in your local storage of your browser. So this scene is saved to the IndexedDB in 23 milliseconds. And if you want to publish this project, you just can click File, Publish. You give it a name like ZAAK uppercase, ZAAK Tower. Description, with description you can use hashtags like ZAAK or referencing usernames. Instructions, look at this place. Next you can choose a cover image for your project. You can navigate around and for a nice view. Maybe I take this one. You can click upload and then the file is going to be built, or your application is going to be built and uploaded to the platform. this may take a while. So congratulations, your project has been uploaded successfully. So we can view the project or we can continue editing. Let's view your first virtual reality application. It's loading. Bam, and here we are. So over here is a full screen button and we are on desktop because I'm doing this screencast on my computer. And this is the media sphere I can now share with anyone. Okay, well, we are really excited to see what you're going to do, what kind of virtual reality worlds you're going to build. You can do collaborations with this remix button, that's a very nice thing. And of course, if you get yourself a Google Cardboard, you can start developing like a pro with just 50 euros. And one thing to say, we have been involved right from the kickstart of this fantastic project, Google Cardboard, as a manufacturer here in Europe. And when Google Cardboard helped to make the virtual reality device accessible, the spirit of ZAAK is quite the same. We want to make the content creation accessible to anyone. So sign in, it's free, you can do as many projects as you like in the public beta. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you soon.